Poetry is a beautiful form of expression that uses language in a unique way to create emotional responses, convey ideas, or tell a story. Here are some key elements of poetry. Structure and form, how the poem is organized, lines, stanzas, and patterns. Rhyme, words that have similar sounds at the end of lines. Exact matches like cat and hat, near rhymes like moon and bone. Rhythm and meter, the beat or flow created by stressed and unstressed syllables. Imagery, vivid descriptions and figurative language that create mental pictures. Theme, the central idea or message of the poem. Tone and mood, the poet's attitude and the emotional atmosphere of the poem. Figurative language, metaphors, similes, and symbolism used to convey deeper meaning. Sound devices, alliteration, assonance, and onomatopoeia to create auditory effects. Understanding these elements can help your child appreciate and analyze poetry better. Encourage them to explore different poems, notice these elements, and see how they contribute to the overall impact and beauty of the poem. If you're enjoying the content and looking for more, join the journey. Subscribe now for exclusive content. Thank you for being awesome. Thank